Subscribe now.
This is our sample question. First, you need to convert to standard simplex form as shown in the screen, where you start with the constraint and then the objective function, the last one. Second, you need to convert into first initial table, where each row you need to define as A, B, C in calculator letter. So from here, you need to choose column that has the most negative at last row by using this formula. So you need to choose the smallest positive. Okay, so from this number, you need to change into 1, 0, 0. So what will happen to the other values? So for the first row, which is A divided with 2 for the row pivot, 2 is the old value of the pivot, and then you must put semicolon, and then you define the second row, bracket -4 divided with 2, close bracket A plus B, -4 because the old value is 4, so it is the opposite sign, divide with the pivot itself, 2, and then times with row pivot, and then plus with the row itself, which is B. Same goes to row C. So as you can see, I define my row C at the calculator here, and then you press CALC, and then you input the value of A. So for the old value is -1, so you press -1 equal, B is 5 equal, -1 equal. So the answer showing here is the new value. So -1/2, 7, -3. So as you can see here. So repeat the step for each column, where you just press the equal and then insert the value, then it will show you the new value. So this is for the last column, and then you get the new value 3, 28 and 12. So next we need to recheck, since our last row still have negative value, so we cannot stop. Repeat the step by finding new pivot again. So from here we need to choose the column that has most negative at last row. So by using this formula, you choose the smallest positive as the pivot, which is 1, so we change it into 0, 1, 0. Okay, so from this number we change it into 0, 1, 0. So what will happen to other value? So the other value we will use calculator to find it. Okay, so first we define the equation row by row. So between the row you must press the semicolon. So how to define the row, the equation? You can read the description on the screen here. Okay, so after you define all the row, you must press the button CALC. Okay, for here they ask you B first because your pivot is at B, row B. So you put 7 equal, -1/2 equal, so -3 equal, then it will show you the new value, which is 0, 1, 0. So do the same thing for each column. Okay, so it will show you the new value. So this is all the new value for our column. So for the so this will be your final answer. Wait, so this will be your final answer, since we doesn't have negative at the last row. So how to read the answer? So for column x1 you find the value 1, so the value is 4. For column x2 you find the value 1, so the answer is at the column B, which is 5. So for value k, find 1, so the answer is 24. So recheck answer. So conclusion, this is your table. So you just have 3 tables, and this will be your final answer. Okay, so summary steps. So first, you need to convert to standard form. Second, convert to first initial table. Third, find the pivot. 4, convert all values. 5, check again values at the last row. If it have negative value, find the new pivot. If it is all positive, stop and find the final answer.